Hey everybody, it's me again. I am back with another video, and I'm out here in my garden because I'm getting ready to cook dinner. So this video is probably gonna be pretty short, but I need to get a few vegetables from out here, and I seen some stuff out here earlier that I wanted to kind of pick. Well, I don't think I want to pick that yet. So let's get because I'm gonna have a salad. So I know there's some cucumber up in here. I see it. That's right. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand. Let's see. I got my little shears here. There we go. Looks like we got it. Yeah, hold on, y'all. Here we go. Sorry, my shears are in the way. My bad. So, we got a cucumber for our salad. Yeah. Okay. That's Beauty. It's my little dog. Okay, and I've already picked this one today. So that's gonna be for dinner. It rained again. Get out of it. She be back here just doing the most sometimes. It rained again today. So tired of this damn rain. Look what it do. Look, it was a storm. And look what it does to your stuff. This stuff was not like this. But that's what it does. So my peach trees. Oh, poor babies. Rest in peace. Because that seems like it is a wrap, honey. Okay. So I have some squash over here. And I try to pick in the evening time because there be a lot of bees back here, and I'm so grateful for that. For the amount of bees. There's another squash. Ooh. Look how big that one is. Look at that. Really nice size one. I'm watching you, Beauty. Okay. There's another one I want to get to. I've been leaving these on the vine. Because, see, to my kids, on this channel, y'all have seen them growing up. My son is out of high school. My daughter is graduating soon. Next school year. My life is changing, man. It really is. So, we got that one. It's really changing. Okay. We got that one. Okay, and I think that is all in here. So, yeah, my son was in college. He's home now. Because, school is out. He's been ripping and running, honey. Ripping and the running. Okay, so now I do want to, she's gonna lick all this water up. I hate when she does that because sometimes they can get sick from drinking the rainwater. But she does it anyway. She don't care. Stop, Beauty. So we're gonna come over here. And I'm probably gonna grab some peppers. I already grabbed some jalapenos. Sorry. That is on my watch, y'all. I want to grab this because it says that it's a golden griller, but I think that it ain't. Yeah. I'm convinced that this is not what the tag says. Let me say that. It's like, look at that. They don't look like no golden griller at all. So I'm just gonna twist it all and find out what this is. Like, it's completed. I think they must have messed up the tags. That's what I'm thinking. This is some Thai basil right there. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. They have messed up some tags. There is a slug in my thing. I do not like these. Going on somewhere. Yeah, and there's quite a few of them on here, but I'm sure that it's not what they say it is. See, look what happened right here, though. I'm gonna just pull that off. Y'all see that? This is supposed to, I'm sorry, my finger's in the way. This is supposed to be a golden pepper, but I've never seen that happen before. So I'm just... She might eat it, she might not. Oh, look, y'all. Finally. The Sunny Delight squash. Okay, I had to nurse this one. There was 2 of them, but I had to really nurse it. This is another, supposed to be golden griller. This one too. The lies they tell, honey. The lies they tell. I don't believe that is what, that's not what it's supposed to look like. It's supposed to look like this. Y'all see that? It looks nothing like that. None of them do. So I left one on the vine for a really long time just to see if it would do anything, and it just really didn't. So what we got so far? Show y'all what we got. Got this big mama jama, or mama jama. We got this one. We got this mystery one. Got this one here. Such a beautiful thing to pick stuff out of your garden. And we got that. We are doing it. Y'all see that? We got some seeds that I threw down that are coming up and that are doing really well. My little dog is like, why can't I come over there? So yeah, that is all. I just wanted to show y'all this quick little harvest for dinner. I have my potatoes that I already harvested. I got more that I need to harvest now. And that is it, guys. I hope you're enjoying your day. Y'all be blessed. Peace.